How do you get prints that have the impact that they deserve? High contrast black and white, that's how. Welcome to the latest and greatest photography channel. If you'd like to find eternal happiness, then there's one easy way. Just hit that subscribe button for everlasting inner peace. They believe that, they'll believe anything. Now, if you've never let your photos off your phone, if the only way they see the outside world is on Instagram, then maybe this isn't the video for you. Because this week, I'm talking about prints. That's right, real prints that you can hold. Not a few 6x4s stuck in an album. No, I'm talking big prints. I'm talking putting them on the wall. I'm talking screaming at people, stop what you're doing right now and look at me. I am an impact print. Now, when it comes to ordering prints of our photography, we've all been there, haven't we? We love the image on the computer. We look at it, we swoon over it, and then we send it off to the printers. And then the brown envelope comes back and we open it with great excitement and we look at it and we think, thought it'd look better than that. Look better than that on the computer. It's kind of lost its mojo, because when it left you and jumped onto the surface of that paper, something got lost. But fear not, there is a way to present your work that ensures it retains maximum impact. Sometimes with big prints, the images have even more impact than they ever did on the screen. So what's that? Monochrome, and not just any black and white. No, high contrast black and white. I was reminded this recently during a shoot in Nice. My hotel had some photos on the walls. Black and white, for me, it means this. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning, isn't it? This picture is in the lobby on the staircase at the Radisson Blu Hotel in Nice. I can see why they use these pictures, and it's not just this one. There were others too, dotted all around. Huge, great black and white canvases, and the one thing they have is impact. Massive impact, and I think you get that with black and white. I think it has the ability to really make a statement. Now, I'm not saying colour doesn't do that, but there is something about black and white. There is something about, maybe it's because we don't see the world like that, that lifts the picture into a sort of a different realm almost. But if you want to make a huge impact, then print them massive. So you see, if I take one of my images and print it in colour and pop it on the wall, it looks something like this. But if I converted it to high contrast black and white, well, it would look like this. What do you think? No comparison, is there? I'd say get editing. Go back to some of your colour images and see if there's anything that lends itself to high contrast black and white printing. Try some prints. You'll be amazed at the results. Or you could shoot in your camera's monochrome mode and forget colour altogether. Actually, I've always wondered, is that a con? I mean, is it any different shooting in colour and then desaturating the image to shooting in the camera's own monochrome mode? Would the results be any different? So I decided to test that out. I decided to take some pictures in a camera's monochrome mode and then take the same pictures in colour and desaturate in Photoshop later. And I couldn't believe the results. If you're interested and want to take a look at that video, you can click on it here.